Question 14 is 2 marks, and this is a calculator allowed paper. However, if you plug this in the calculator, it will tell you some error. So don't try to. Let's try to do this. Now, I'll just first write it so it looks better. 6.7 times 10 to the power of 135 plus 3 times 10 to the power of 134. I meant to look bigger, not better. I don't think it's better. Now what I will do, I will try to make these numbers to be the same. 10 to the power of 134, 10 to the power of 134. What do? I'll take 110 out of this. So actually, the first number is going to be 6.7 times 10 to the power of 1 times 10 to the power of 134. Is that correct? Yeah, that's correct, because if we multiply back, we add the indices, so it will give me again 135, right? So this is a correct math step, and I don't need this one because it's just 10 plus 3 times 10 to the power of 134. Now let's look at the next step. Let's multiply these two. What's 6.7 times 10? 67 times 10 to the power of 134 plus 3 times 10 to the power of 134. Now, the 10 to the power of 134 is just like x. So this is 67x plus 3x. 67 plus 3 is 70, isn't it? So it's 70 times 10 to the power of 134. A student asked me, why didn't you add 134 plus 134? This is just like x, guys. So as if you have 67x plus 3x. It's going to be 70x, right? Now, the question asks you to write it in standard form. To write it in standard form, we'll just go back one step. So instead of 70, it will be 7 times 10 to the power of. Since you went back, you add 1 here. It's going to be 135, and that's your answer. If you go back 2 steps, you add 2 here, and so on. Did you get it? That's your answer. Let's go to question 15. Question 15 is 6 marks. That's a very nice question. Let's do it. You can pause and try it yourself.